We are here, man. We are here, ladies and gentlemen. Yoga by Asake. I'm excited to hear this one. Asake, before this, freaking phenomenal breakout year in 2022. Like, this man hit new territories that no debut artist or no debut album has been making from his run last year. So it's freaking incredible. He has dictated a huge. He and his producer Magic Six, because I like to credit Magic Six as well. He has produced, if not the zeitgeist, the element of the music scene right now, and everybody has kind of like picked up on what he has amplified. And for a new artist, a fresh new artist to do that is absolutely incredible, going back to back with so many hits. And yeah, unprecedented year. And it's crazy he's already releasing so early into this new year now. And it's interesting because I didn't expect to get Asake onto like maybe, I don't know, I was expecting maybe March. Asake will start like having serious rollouts to like say next album or something. But even though there's still a lot of material from his album that you could still work, I think it's okay that he's moving on away from the album. I mean, he kind of did, even having the record with Tiwa Savage, but that was more of a Tiwa Savage song. But now it definitely feels like he's moving away from the album, or at least has moved on from the album. But we're about to see what he's on. I've gotten an idea of what this is from the snippet. It feels very spiritual in the sense of like bringing some African elements. Because I know he recorded this in Senegal, so there's some Senegalese influence here on the music. So anyway, I'm excited to check it out in its entirety. This is Asake with Yoga, its first major record for the year. Let's hear it. Can you hear the ocean? The wind? Yo, this is low-key like, because it's cold. Why do you think I'm wearing this? It's very cold where I am right now, and it's, I think, one of the coldest days, and it's dark too. I'm recording in my basement, so like it's very cold, it's very dark, and hearing this is like kind of spooky, low-key, and I'm alone in the house, so yeah, man, I was getting some chills right now. But this is one heck of an intro, though. I know it has to be Senegalese or something francophone, I think. Yeah, I could be wrong, but I have to look up where the song, where the sample is, because it's sampling something. He's saying, I did on my way, right? That's what he's saying. I did on my way, right? Interesting. Okay, I don't check if it's Magic 6 behind this. Yes, it is. Okay, it's Magic 6 behind this. Production feels very live and traditional as well. Oh, okay, I can see. Oh, okay, now it's making sense. Because I've seen some people talk about Grammy attempt here. And is this wonderful? I don't know. I'm not getting that hint. It still feels authentic. It still feels convincing at least from the first run. It doesn't feel too calculated as a Grammy feature might seem. So, but definitely live instrumentation here, a lot more present. And I know we're still going to get Magic 6 on the violins too, so I'm excited. But it looks like the song is about him, like, I did on my way, like nobody stopped my momentum, nobody stopped my train, because this train is moving fast, and it's moving fast. Nobody should get in my way. That's the energy that is kind of professing here, and I like it. I like that message.
Enemies, I get them too much. It is better to get them so close. Who go there for you, no go there for.
I like the drums.
Still balanced, I still gallant.
Did you say my lover, my lover? Is that what you said? Okay, my love. Oh, my lover. Okay. Oh no. Gospel of Asake right there, bro. Wow. I think this was a stellar record, bro. This was a beautiful, beautiful rendition. Obviously, for him, taking a lot more soulful direction here than as opposed to like, you know, the bangers, the love centered, the love concept records that he usually has. I'm a piano heavy influence, you know what I mean? All that. It's not having all that on this one. It's a lot more spiritual. It's a lot more tame. It feels I remember putting up a post on my Instagram asking about how this song feels for people. Someone said it feels like an intro to an album, and I think I really agree with that statement. It does feel like an intro to a project. It feels like it's a sentiment around what is deciding or what he's moving the year around with. So if anything, it's the intro for the year. It's the intro for his mindset for the year. He's like, I'm on the freaking run. I'm on the momentum, and I don't want anyone to stop me. I don't want to kill my vibe. And it's funny because I'm hearing other industry gist as well. Essentially, he's confident. He feels very confident of where he is. He feels confident of the momentum that he has, as opposed to what I was hearing about him not being as confident in himself. Obviously, the record is going to project something different. It'd be crazy if he's coming out to say that he's not confident. And he's having a heck of a run that has been unprecedented. Nobody has done what he's doing, especially to the levels at which he's doing it so early in his career, right? So it's crazy to see that, and I'm excited for him to do it again. This one, with a very much more spiritual atmosphere, seems very, very heavy on his message, heavy on his statement, and the synth, or rather the choice of instrument of African, or I think, yeah, very African, very traditional instrumentation. It could be seen as a Grammy play, but I don't think it is. It really just feels like good music at the end of the day. It feels organic. It doesn't feel forced. It feels like it's still very much in its element, because you can still see those crowd vocals. You can still see those Magic Stick signature violins as well. It's still very much an Asake song, even though people, again, if you go to his album, a song like Doll is very much in the same sentiment. You know what I mean? It feels like an intro. Doll was an intended intro for the album, right? And it also feels like Doll. It feels like it's that kind of thing. Me, I know the Doll. Like, basically, it's the same sentiment, the same message as Doll. So, again, not that crazy, not that different from what we've gotten from anyone that hasn't seen Asake in this light. Obviously has not listened to the album, because he opens the album on this same tone, but also more so traditional with the production. I think that's because we've seen Magic 6 add like gong gong to I'm a Piano before, but this one seems a lot more intentional. It seems a lot more potent with the traditional drum patterns that we are hearing, as opposed to a hip hop influence or an I'm a Piano drum pattern that we're hearing. So it is what it is.